Doing this one instead. We're gonna do, we randomly got to this number. We did not randomly get to this number. This is the next thing we're gonna do. Cutting the meat in strips. I'm gonna use this knife. I wonder if there's something. You're scary. Flour. But it's some of this cheese. Well, that was an interesting dream. I'm so tired. Let's go back to sleep.
1 teaspoon of baking soda. I don't think they can read the word. That's fine.
Yeah. I'm cutting it this thin. This is afternoon morning prep. Because the dough gotta wait 4 to 6 hours.
Yep. Okay. And then 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Also 1/2 teaspoon. And then sugar. You need 1 tablespoon of neutral oil. And then 1/2 cup of water. And then you mix. Okay.
Wow. It's all gone. Soda. I don't know if you could read this, but
I don't think they can.
yeah.
It's very...
1, 2.
It's smooth and combined. And I said about 10 minutes, and then I have to let it rest for 30.
MSG. We don't talk. We don't talk anymore.
We don't talk anymore.
Like we used to do.
I stood up too fast.
I swear we did. What happened to it? I wonder
unless
who's up there.
Dun dun dun.
I told you.
Dude.
I told you. We have the white pepper.
Spoons up. Bit of water in it. And then I think I might do the same.
I say this is good enough. Let it rest.
Look at this. Overflow.
Just lightly press. I don't know if this is gonna work, but the rectangle. Why do I have a feeling that these are gonna be very flat? I think after I cut this, we could set the camera up to by the stove. Okay. And then you just layer it on top. Oh, I did not cut it even. It looks funny.
gotta believe. I don't think I need this. Also, we're gonna be eating snap pea leaves. I'm just gonna saute these and wish for the best. Because I have actually never made this before.
We're gonna cut this again.
We're tired, guys. We did a lot of shit today. This is the meat. I'm like, what is going on? You see so out of it. I'm reading.
I noticed.
I'm trying to figure it out. Welcome to our house. Le Boji. An epic butter is in his crate. This is our mess. I'm trying to make a dress, but it's really hard without a dress form. So I kind of made one. Guys, my posture is horrible. You guys see this? You guys see this? My left hip versus my right hip. What is this? This is my neutral position because I have bad posture. Anyway, going back. How do we want to record this?
I don't know.
Do we want it up high?
Far away. Kind of.
You got this. Leave it, leave it, leave it.
No, it says turn it.
Turn it.
Yeah, like turn it.
Oh, it's puffing. It's puffing.
You think it's good enough?
Yeah.
Ta-da!
That's pretty good.
That's the first one.
Well, it's pretty good. Spoon to oil heavy good. Right to the Lord. The thing about wooden spatulas is you can just scrape off everything. Oh, is there some fireworks outside? I just heard a boom boom. Okay, guys. Let's use a chopstick or something. I think this looks pretty good. Flavor? No one knows.
This is a worth it oyster sauce.
Soy sauce? I could do the rest.
I think there's one more after this one.
I'm gonna leave this. Leave it.
The lighting's horrible, but it looks good in real life.
The recipe said this would make 4 donuts, but instead we got 13. And then here are the turnip cake or radish cake. Turnip cake. Radish cake. And then the noodles. And then the veggies. Good?
Veggie. Lots of veggie. Guys, we need to eat our veggies. 케이크를 and then a donut. The donut looks so funny right here.
Okay.
Because I didn't put too much on the veggies.
That house.
Oh.
The house. See that?
Still flying? No, no. And it's on the way.
The spray.
You gotta do vertical too, so.
Second.